John chapter 1, from verse 1 to verse 14. When time did start, the word did debate, and the word did dead with God. Matter of fact, the word I did God. The word did debate with God from before the world come about. God caused the one where the word to make everything. Not the way name make. Him are the one will make everything live, and a him carry light come give people so they can see. Him shine and light up the dark, and the dark couldn't tap the light from shine. No, he did have one man where God did send come. Him named John. God did send John to tell people about the one where the light, so them could have believe what John say. John ain't the light. Him did not come to tell people about the light. The light there are the real light, and him come in the world and make everybody know him. And he make the world, and him come live in it. But the people them in the world, they know who him. Him come to him own a country, and him own a people them turn them back upon him. But as for all of them we welcome him, that for say them we trust in him and in name, him give them the right to turn God picnic. But they're not born in a God family like a own normal picnic born with mother or father. Or cause smarty did feel for have sex. Or cause one husband make up his mind saying he want picnic. No, a God himself make them born. No, the one where the word turn man. Him come live amongst we. And we see how him big and powerful. Him a Father God wanna uncle dege boy pitney. Father God send him come, and the Father making so big and powerful. The boy pitney show we enough love, even though we no deserve it. And a bare true sitting in show we about God. A God word this. Thank God.